Time to say goodbye to the Tiger. So we're gonna go from this to this. Now guys, if you know what this is, alright. If not, I'm gonna get a little walk around footage here. We'll come back and we'll talk about it. I apologize ahead of time for the wind. It is quite breezy out here this afternoon. And it's a little chilly. Low 40s, maybe upper 30s, but the sun's out, so it definitely makes it feel a little bit better. That sun really helps. So this is the 2023 Road Glide Standard. And I just picked this up. Odometer had 4 miles on it when I got it. We're up to 43 now, so yeah, we're really putting down some miles. Yeah. So if you're asking, yes, I did trade in the Tiger. Not quite able to be able to keep 2 bikes. Unless maybe I pick up a small dual sport or something like that. Maybe if I find something on Craigslist or something like that. And we'll see. We'll keep an eye out there. And, you know, then maybe we can still play around in the pines. But, you know, on something nice and light. Easy to pick up when I inevitably drop it. Because that'll happen. So the color on this is Atlas Silver Metallic. On Harley's website, when I looked at this, I was underwhelmed, I guess would be the word. I was like, yeah, okay, it's silver, big deal. And I saw someone, I don't remember exactly who, did a video. And in the video, it looked a little different. I'm like, yeah, this might be worth checking out in person. And my local Harley dealer happened to get this one in stock. Took a drive down on a lousy Saturday morning. Looked at it. I'm like, yep, okay, I'm gonna put a deposit on it. Put a deposit on it, came back a couple days later when the weather was a little bit nicer with my bike, and we did the deal. So here we are. Yeah, there will be a couple of modifications. If you can see in the walk around footage already, I did put saddlebag guards on it, and that's just to protect those saddlebags, because if you know, I'm not really used to riding a big heavy bike like this. I'm coming from the Tiger. It was, you know, sub 500 pounds. This thing is a beast. It's big. But I'm not gonna go you know, I'm not gonna be going crazy with the modifications. We're gonna do some lights here so we can be seen. That's more of a safety thing, possibly some comfort. Eventually, yeah, I probably will put some pipes on this thing eventually, but right now, we'll see. Right now, we're not going to do it. We're going to ride this in stock form for a while. Well, mostly stock form, other than the saddlebag guards and the LED turn signals that we're putting on it. And see how it is. So that's it for this one, guys. We're gonna continue to try and push through this winter and make some content here. And well, now we got a new bike. You know, I guess I got something new to talk about. But we will. We're gonna come here and do a little bit of slow speed practice riding here, and then we're gonna get back out on the road, guys. If you would hit the like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And as always, get out and enjoy the road and enjoy the ride. We'll see you.